Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about how to add a transaction to Rocket Money. Before we get started, I want to ask you a question. Have you ever had a transaction that didn't show up in Rocket Money? Or maybe you've made a purchase that you want to track, but you're not sure how to do it. If you've answered yes to either of those questions, then you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a transaction to Rocket Money manually. So, let's get started. How to add a transaction to Rocket Money. Open the Rocket Money app on your phone. Tap on the Transactions tab. Tap on the plus button in the top right corner. Select Spend or Income depending on the type of transaction you're adding. Enter the amount of the transaction. Enter the date of the transaction. Select the category of the transaction. Tap on Save. That's it. Your transaction is now added to Rocket Money. Additional tips. You can also add transactions to Rocket Money by linking your bank account or credit card. This will allow Rocket Money to automatically import your transactions for you. You can edit or delete transactions that you have already added. You can view your transactions in a variety of ways, including by date, category, and amount. I hope this video helps you add transactions to Rocket Money. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And with that, I'll say thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.